CNC machine performance can be affected by mechanical, electrical, or programming issues. Recognizing common problems and applying the right solutions ensures smooth operation and longer machine life. In this video, we will discuss two common CNC problems and practical ways to fix them. The two common problems are poor machine maintenance, programming errors. These problems cause most unexpected CNC issues in daily operation. One of these problem: poor CNC machine tool maintenance. CNC machines rely on constant movement, which makes regular maintenance critical. Why maintenance matters. Dirt and debris buildup cause serious problems. If dirt and debris are not removed, buildup can occur. This leads to machining inaccuracies or even machine failure. What poor maintenance causes? Poor maintenance can cause inaccurate machining, increased wear, unexpected downtime. Neglecting maintenance increases wear and reduces machine reliability. How to fix maintenance issues? Follow a maintenance routine. The solution is a consistent and complete maintenance routine. Key maintenance to check regularly are coolant levels, airflow, air filters, spindle lubrication. Operators should regularly check coolant levels, airflow, and air filters, and spindle lubrication to keep the machine running smoothly. Consistent maintenance directly improves machine lifespan and reliability. Problem 2. Programming errors. Programming errors is another major source of CNC problems. What programming errors cause? Incorrect programs can cause unexpected motion, alarms, and wasted material. Common causes: misunderstood G and M codes, incorrect setup, wrong data variables. These errors usually come from misunderstanding G and M codes, incorrect machine setup, or wrong data sent to the CNC control. CNC machines follow instructions exactly and do not think. They execute instructions exactly as given. How to fix programming errors? Proper operator training. The best way to reduce programming errors is proper operator training, and always check the entire program before starting process. Training should include programming methods, motion sequences, machine behavior. Training helps operators understand how programs control motion and machine behavior. Supplier responsibility. Machine suppliers should provide clear manuals, practical training. Machine suppliers must provide clear manuals and practical training on machine operation. Most CNC problems are not complex. They come from ignoring basics. A strong basics can prevent big problems. Good maintenance and correct programming prevent most CNC failures. If this explanation helped you, like the video and subscribe for more practical CNC troubleshooting.